Hey, hey, we just doubled. We just doubled. You get that side, I get this side. I gotta go beside you. Oh, he's getting pissed. Yeah! Woo! Alright, as soon as we get out, we gotta pull the pole down. Well, not as soon, but. Squid here? Yeah. No marks either. Nothing was directly below us. Oh man. Just turned.
Hold on, I'm reeling up.
Get the GoPro going.
It's going.
Get the fucking squid down.
No, I've got mine up and out.
No, what I mean. Just in general. Get that squid down as soon as you can.
Yeah, no, I hear you.
I can't believe I got no bite, dude.
I did. Of course we did. We're on the squid bed using squid as bait.
I'm coming underneath you. You got bit? Yeah, I'm bit.
Oh yeah, he's on.
Yeah, I just saw him. This ain't no ray though. Hey, get in my bag. The blue bag.
What do you need?
Alright, come over here. Come towards us. Just keep reeling in. We're gonna play this like a sports boat. Just come in, turn left.
I try to get out of here.
It's alright.
You might have got it, dude. I got another Sabiki.
Put the free. I'm not doing it.
Which way do you want to turn? Right?
No, just keep on straight.
Okay.
You're doing perfect.
You free? Fish still on?
Okay, get in here and grab the GoPro.
Now I gotta turn it back the right way.
It's gotta be yellow.
Yeah, he's heading out to sea.
Yeah, and fast.
Okay. Put everything on the right side?
Yeah. Like real quick. I'm gonna bring the fish in on the right side. Or left side, sorry.
Okay, I thought you were still.
We have to have one trampoline clear.
No, I got you.
Okay,
This one's clear. Hang on, guys.
How many feet of water are we in?
We are in.
Okay, I'm gonna let you steer.
All right.
We're getting out here. And kill this fish. Big head tugs. This is why you want a two-speed right here.
Are you horsing him?
Stops. spinning.
Oh, you're at the leader, bro.
I know, he's spinning over the boat.
I know, I'm turning right. I got you going slightly right.
He's a big one.
He's a big one. Tail, grab that by the tail.
Hold the rope. Hold the rope.
I got the rod. I got the rod. There's one.
I was thinking yesterday.
Now you gotta show him to the camera.
Look at that perfect lip hook through the bone.
Oh, dude, no, that's beautiful, man.
Bone.
Hey, what'd you do to it? Wait, look at the very ass end of his tail. Did you nick him in the tail first or something? Look at that. What's going on there?
No, that's an old wound.
Let's here, I'll move the camera. You just
Go ahead and get us back to the spot.
okay.
Let's go get some fucking more squid on.
That's how you do it, boys and girls. You're like, I can't believe we got bit again. I'm like, we're fishing with squid on the squid bed. Now it's 2 in 2 days.
Let's go get one.
Let's do that. Once again, everybody is.
Oh, we're way off the spot. We were way off the spot. See how that worked? Damn, look at that fight track. That's cool. That's exactly how far it pulled us.
Well, we're going to start keeping count. It's early, so that's 1.
Hey! Hey! We just doubled! We just doubled! On something big! Come on, get that one in, dude. We're turning. This one's turning us. I gotta get... How bad are you?
What do you mean?
How bad is it?
I'm on.
How bad? All I care about is how big it is, because we're going... Hand it around the sail. Hurry up, get done. Oh, fuck, dude. Get up. Get on your knees out there. Okay, you just have to fight this.
Yeah.
You just gotta take your time. Get up, sit up, I want this out of the way. You get that side, I get this side. Sit up, I want this out of the way. You get that side, I get this side. You get that side, I get this side. Holy shit. I got something good, dude.
Well, I think mine's pretty decent too, bud.
That's awesome. Get them up, pay attention to them. Your GoPro on?
Yeah.
Mine's straight turning the boat all over the place. How much more line do you got?
I got line.
Well, dude, we have to. We go towards yours. I'm chasing yours down. I got line for days, dude. Doubled up, dude. This is ridiculous.
Oh,
Doubled up, dude. This is ridiculous.
oh, fuck.
Don't lose it because you're trying to force him. Don't lose it because you're trying to force him. I've actually never had this. It's hard as hell. Fight these fish in too long. Just keep pressuring them. Keep pressuring them. It's gonna take time to get both these in. How you doing over there?
I'm doing good. I'm gaining ground now.
Take your time. Take your time. Oh my god, dude. Where's your line? Where's your line? Where's your line?
Mine?
Where's your line? Get up. Stand up. Yeah, I gotta go beside you. Oh my god, dude. Where's your line? Where's your line? Where's your line? Where's your line? Get up. Stand up. Yeah, I gotta go beside you. Dude, you didn't get this line up. Yeah, well, this pole being in the water is about to screw us. Just try to keep him in front of the boat. I mean, we can't do much. Leader. Oh, he's huge.
Good.
He's fucking huge, dude.
Get him in.
Oh, I got him. I got him. Oh, he's got so much energy still. This pole being in the water is about to screw us. Just try to keep him in front of the boat. I mean, we can't do much. leader.
Get the f***er in.
Oh, he's huge.
Good.
He's huge, dude.
Get him in.
Oh, I got him. I got him. Don't worry about him. Oh, he's got so much energy still. It's all you. Get yours in.
Had to happen on my 300.
I'm telling you, I didn't want it to happen on those reels.
My 400 would have been fine.
Ran both of these. We're going the other way. I got the double. Now when that thing's close, when you get the leader or wherever you fucking you can tell you're close, you hop back on this seat and getting out there to grab it. He's on bottom, dude. Like literally, I can see him right now. Epic, dude. I got blood on my glasses. Okay, relax, relax, relax. We're gonna spin to the right. Just keep him right where you're sitting. Yeah, no, you're good. Always try to work on my outside if you can. I'd much rather come outside. Right now, I don't see the dog in the race. But it ain't no fucking race. Well, that's for fact. Keep holding, he's coming up, moving like a lamb. It's 70 feet.
Fuck, that blew up.
Yeah. No, this is on a tube.
This is on a tube I was tossing around.
Yeah, they just swam through like crazy. Yeah, they blasted both at the same time.
I really wish they would have hit my other pole.
Yeah.
This is damn near my bass rod.
Oh, it's straight down, you're good.
This will be number 3.
We just doubled up. I landed mine already though. Yeah, about maybe a little bit thicker. No, you're good. Right now he's 60 foot down. That's the biggest one so far.
That's fucking monster, dude.
On the Masturbates fishing lure, I was just tossing it while we were hanging out on the bottom. So we're gonna go home with 3 now, if that's all right with everybody. I've been fiending, and of course it like hits me on the damn bass rod.
Is that on the bottom?
No, I was I mean, I threw it out, let it drop for maybe 10 seconds, and then was just kind of jigging it back in. And as soon as his rod went off, my rod went off.
Dude, look how barely that thing is in there, just in the skin.
This is the guy right here. Oh, it feels good to be back on the bar. Damn, dude, it's been like a year since I caught a freaking yellowtail. Oh my word. Woo! Dude, I've been so overdue.
Oh, dude, we landed them. A pair of them. Shit.
That's a beast. Look at this, boy. Epic morning in the Jolla.
It's okay, we're gonna head in now. That's what I'm talking about.
There's some video for that. I got it right to the...
We just got one and then doubled up. Oh my. Oh,
You got the beast, dude.
so happy. Well, I guess I told him on the first one, I'm like, we're splitting the meat, mother. Dude, I'm telling you, man, all we're doing is.
You're on? Yeah!
Go, baby! Go!
Woo! Yes, sir. Come grab it.
Oh, it's a nice fish.
It is a nice fish. It's not sea bass. They're kind of illegal to take though.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
I'll throw you in jail anytime you try.
Ow!
Take your time. He's right there. He's spinning around the bottom. You want to handle it? Oh, you got it. Yeah. Get out of here. Right. Yeah, bro.
Dude, right when you show up.
Right.
Won't ya?
Yeah. That is a beat. I saw you just did a massive sleigh ride. All of a sudden pulled out of the pack.
That is a nice fish, bro. You.
30 maybe. Thanks to the big boys.
Hey, what goes around comes around.
Yes. We did, man. All over the place.
Should I jig for some bait?
I've been fishing long.
Should I stand up and show Seaforth all the Yellowtail? No, I hear you. Right on.
It's a nice little butter bowl.
Yeah, that's all I need. Enough to feed there.
I was gonna say someone's gonna eat well tonight.
Are you about ready to go in?
Been a while since you got one, or?
Yeah, it feels good, huh?